Welcome to one out of many unboxings to come. I have here is the EMOTIV C2 Plus from EMOTIVA. This is their flagship one. They have a C1 Plus, which is a smaller version to this, but just look at the size. This is the table under it, and look at the size of it. So let's get in the box. Double box. Manual as well as some feet. Styrofoam. Let me get this out and I'll show you, because I know these lids are in the way. Let me tell you, that was friggin' crazy to get out of there. That's how big it is. And this is the center channel. I got big hands, and look at this. This is the center channel. This is their flagship. This is the best it comes when it comes to center channels. As delicate as I can. Yeah, I think I have to stand this thing up. Oh gosh. Are you guys seeing this? Sorry, I can't focus right now. But this is the front. I'm sure you guys can see that. Comes with a magnetic grill. There it goes. There it goes. 2 6.5 woofers, 2 3-inch mid-range, and of course this ribbon tweeter. So I'm gonna go mount this on the TV or by the TV and see if it'll fit. But yeah, lots more unboxings coming. Thanks for watching. Peace.